Ka Sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam kila menjur ban Binshed hak North Eastern Space Application Center NESAC bahkan pelong ya kajingwat benia ling bagi kor satellite hak baya dei be kajing bashir kei ki bajia kha hak benta jong kasor Guwahati bat ban IT ya kai pot hapo kalai benai. Ya kanika rai la shim hak jingalang hapdeng ki menteri rangba jong kini ki arjela kata u Konrad ki sangma bat u Himanta Biswa Sarma kabalalong hak artrik jeliau hak Guwahati. Ngila shim ya karai ban pan jingarap nak NESAC bahkan pelong ya kajingwat benia ling bagi kor satellite ya ki jaka klau beper hak benta kaput ka Meghalaya bat Assam kanang ban lap ya ki daw tenrai ki balam sya kan kajing hapo kasor Guwahati. Hadin bala pendap ya kan kajingwat benia hak ni kindiat benai iban wan saya keren ya ki agency kum ka IIT Roorkee bahkan bishar benia bermenra ya ki Sinjam ban weng ya kan kajing ya ki bala ban pentrikam da baro ki arjela bar ki ban long ki jiman to ya baro ki arjela ong u Konrad hadin ka jingalang. Haba kubur ya kajing su kia halur kajing ha Guwahati u Konrad ulapan pau kajing su kia bat bakumno kini ki arjela kin la ban ya trelang ban wat ikilat kilinti ban penduna ya kan kajing hasor Guwahati bat ru ban wat ikilat kilinti ban wengi ki jing jung ki dong shong shnong ki badan syakalyang ka Meghalaya kamtam kitu ki bakamai jakpo dakabadi jingdi.
Regarding the issue of the floods in Assam, it's a major concern, as we know that in the last many days and months also we have seen that flood has been an issue in Assam, and rain also is playing, of course, a very critical role in terms of climate change. So the challenges are much more than what was before. And hence it is important now that both the states must put their heads together and find a solution. While Assam faces a challenge of the floods that are coming in, Meghalaya also has got its concerns in terms of the different economic activities, livelihood activities and overall economic growth as mentioned by the Assam Chief Minister. And hence, how could we work together so that we are able to find a solution to minimize the impact of the flood in the city of Guwahati and yet at the same time be able to address the different concerns that are there for the people of Meghalaya. We have decided to work together. We have decided to approach NESAC to do a detailed study in terms of the entire satellite imaging, whether it is of the different forest area, whether there's a different water flowing, whether it's the different areas of water logging. Once this entire detailed study is done in the next 3 months, we will then approach agencies like the IIT Roorkee to further then break that analysis into actual steps that we could take to find a solution that would be able to implement for both the states and be beneficial for both the states, vis-a-vis reduce the flood problems in Guwahati to a large extent, and at the same time take care of the concerns that are there for the state of Meghalaya, especially when it comes to the overall economic development. So I'm very happy with this way forward, and as always, we are all committed to make this.
Ha kani ka jingalang kini ki arjela kila menjur ru ban plelang no ya ka Kulsi multi-purpose irrigation but hydroelectric power project kabala sateng mentala Selamba. Ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya hagi por ki bala letno kila pun pau bangi long ki ba ple banya keren ki mat beper. Ki jing kin dan ben Henry ka ka ba kongsan ka long bangi de banya keren bat persyang ban wad ikilat klinti ban wengi ki jing Ka Kulsi project ka de ka jing job ka bakraw ya baro ki artali la ka long ha ka liang ka jing pen mi boarding ka jing sam shagi jaka rem la ni ka jing kan tiawi ki kam jungo kai bat baro ki ar sorkar kila rai ban yatray lang bat rai ban penya syakmat ya ka ni ka project ong u Konrad sangma. Ha ka tay ka jingalang ka kinhun na Meghalaya ki balaya don lang ki kentop ya umentri ka tana tourism u ba po lingdo bat u chief secretary ba DP watlang na lor ki wei ki het sorkar. Kumju la sanran lang ya Menteri Rangba Himanta Biswa Sarma daki Menteri Sorkar bat ki he officer.
Assam and Meghalaya in the past have demonstrated that we are very open to discuss different issues. Problems will always be there, challenges will always be there. What is important is that we must discuss and try and find solutions to the problems. Today is another example of that commitment that is shown both by the Assam government and the government of Meghalaya. As stated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, when it comes to the project of Kulsi, it's a project which is clearly a win-win situation for both the states. Whether it is power production, whether it is irrigation, or whether it's development of tourism. In all three fronts, and many more, both the states will benefit. And hence, we have decided, with the condition, of course, that the people living in those areas will be taken into confidence. Discussions will be held with them, and we'll find a way forward on how we could take this project ahead. And today, in principle, both the governments have decided that we will work together as also a symbol of our Assam and Meghalaya friendship, that we will try and move this project forward. And in principle, we have decided that the work will start, starting with consultation with the people living in those areas.